Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cool camping badge design all within one of the best platforms, Kiddle. So we can go to the top right. I'm going to click new project. I'm going to click on outdoor. And so we've got already some set. I like this one. So I'm going to drag and drop this. I'm going to click replace and it's going to drop that design into my layout. Beautiful. So I'm going to delete that car. I think all caps work for this. So I'm going to go camping. All right, so we've got that design. I want to click on elements on the left-hand side. I'm thinking of putting like a mountain and a valley, something like that, or even some trees. Cool, so I'm pretty happy with that. I think that is looking good. Cool, I think it's coming along. Beautiful, I think this is looking really, really cool. Now what I'm gonna do is add some texture. So I'm gonna click on the bottom left and boom, you can see it already adds a texture in one go. I don't have to do much. And so that's the design. And I'll show you what it looks like on a t-shirt with a quick mock-up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Do check out Kiddle. You can try it out for free. Use my link in the description below.